my intention is just I have to start, I have to explain the basic features of Java programming language. The basic features of Java. Java features, or some people may use the word Java buzzwords. Okay, some people may use the word Java buzzwords. Okay, sir, anyone, can you please tell when Java came into the market? Anyone having the idea? Yes, friends. When Java came, when Java introduced it to the market. Yes, 1995 officially Java came into the market. Remember that in 1995, okay, Java came. But now 2020, have you observed right? Now 2020, okay, almost around more than 25 years, more than 25 years, still Java in big boom. Okay, still Java is in too good position. So like, do you know, so any programming language, so existing, so this much huge, this much duration is still Java is in full swing. Another 15 years, another 20 years, maybe there. So means definitely the most it is one of most powerful programming language which is going to fulfill customer requirements, changed trending customer requirements, keep on supporting. That's why these many years are there in the market, this Java programming language, friends. Okay, do you know, almost around 25 years in full swing. Okay, this is Java, right? So why this long existence, which features make Java sustain these many years, you people should aware. Sir, anyone, can you please spell out which buzzwords are there for Java? Yes, friends. I'm not sure. Anyone? Can you please spell out, sir? These are features of Java. These are the features of Java, or these are the buzzwords of Java. Yes. So some people are telling object oriented. Any other? Yes. Can you spell out any other things? One is object oriented. Object oriented. Any other? Yes. Platform independent. Good. Functional interface. Robust. Yeah, whatever you know, can you spell out, sir? What are various important features? Security, yes. Portable, good. Programmer friendly, yes. Excellent. Any other features are there? Why Java is this much powerful? Why Java? What are various Java principles? Yes, vara principle. Write once, read, write once, write once, execute anywhere, write once, run anywhere, run anywhere. Okay, vara principle. Okay, like, so do you know there are several features are there which makes Java this much powerful. Okay, so Java language is the most powerful high level programming language. Remember this one, sir. It is the most powerful, okay, high level programming language. High level programming language. Okay, so can you please tell what is the meaning of high level programming language? Anyone? Yes, friends. What is the meaning of high level programming language? So we can use the word, okay, user can read, user can understand, okay, programmer friendly programming language, programmer friendly language. Okay, so high level, just like English, we can read the Java program. Okay, such type of thing is called high level. C language, C++, these kind of things are not mission friendly language. Okay, remember that it is something like English, like high level programming language. So it is the most powerful programming language. At the same time, it is high level programming language. Remember this one. So the power of Java is described by the following 12 buzzwords. Remember this one, sir. The power of Java is described by the following 12 buzzwords. Okay, like, sir, the first one, simple. Remember this one. What the first one, sir? Simple. It's a simple programming language. What it means, I will explain. First, have a look once about all these things, right? The first one is simple. The second one is platform independent. The most important feature this is platform independent. The third one, platform independent. Next, architecture neutral. Architecture neutral. Okay, like architecture neutral. Next, portable. Next, portable. Okay, architecture neutral, portable. Next, secure. Okay, architecture neutral, portable, secure. Object oriented. Okay, object oriented. Next, multi-threaded. Next, do you know robust. Next, distributed. Next, robust distributed. Next, and after that, interpreted. Okay, like interpreted. Next, high performance. Here, just observe very carefully. High performance. Next, dynamic. Remember this, sir. Java. So what are various features of Java? Okay, like if any person is asking, happily you can tell these are the 12 features are there for the Java, sir. Can you please follow on? Java is simple. Java is platform independent. Java is the architecture neutral. Java is the portable. Almost these are three more or less similar. Next, and after that, secure, object oriented, multi-threaded. Next, robust, distributed, interpreted, high performance, and dynamic. These are the 12 features whatever there for Java programming language. Remember this one, sir. Sir, now I will explain all these features one by one, so that you people can get much clarity about this terminology, right? Sir, what is the meaning of Java is simple? What is the meaning of simple, sir? Here, legend. Any doubt about this list? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. So if any person is asking in the interview room, Array, can you please spell out what are various features of Java, or what features are there for Java language? Immediately you have to tell these are the features for the Java. Order is not important. In any order you can tell, sir. Simple, platform independent, architecture neutral, portable, secure, object oriented, multi-threaded, robust, distributed, interpreted, high performance, dynamic. So like, but what is the meaning of each feature? Compulsory you people should have clear clarity about this terminology, right? Sir, now can you please tell what is the meaning of simple programming language? Okay, do you know, sir? It is a Java. It's a very simple, sir. Java is very simple, and easy to learn. Easy to learn. Remember this one, sir. I can use the word. It is a nursery standard, nursery level. Okay, nursery level programming language. Nursery level programming language, sir. It's a very simple, sir, and easy to learn programming language. That's why I can use the word, okay. That's why I can use the word. It's very simple. Next, we can write Java programs very easily. We can write Java programs very easily, sir. Very easily, sir. Do you know every line in Java itself is a self descriptive? Suppose if I'm asking about array class test, okay, class test. Now we have observed, right? System.out.println. Okay, oh, we are trying to print this hello world, like next, public static void main itself, oh, it is the main function, something like so it's a very easy to write Java programs. We can write very easily, sir, Java programs, right? Next, it's a very common doubt for most of the people. Sir, I want to learn Java. Any prerequisite is required or not? What about your answer? Respond. What about your answer? Sir, I want to learn Java. I want to learn Java. So any prerequisite is required? Is required? Remember that. Remember, no. Some people are always going to ask, sir, I want to learn Java. Can I compulsory aware C language, C++, like several offline students are always going to ask us, okay, For them, simple answer, what answer I can tell? Array, no prior knowledge is required. Directly you can attend Java classes like. Then immediately that person is going to argue, sir, do you know one of my friends suggested, Array, you should aware C language or you should aware C++. Then only you can learn Java. Like some people suggested. Then only you can learn Java. Like some people suggested like so the people they are going to tell. Then simple answer from my side is, Array, I don't know C language, I don't know C++, but still I'm handling Java classes. I can handle Java classes. Then learning Java without those programming languages, no problem at all. Happily you can learn. Remember that, sir. So to learn Java, okay, to learn Java, no prior knowledge is required. Remember this one, sir. No prior knowledge is required. Just a school student also can learn Java programming language. That's why I can use the word. It is a nursery level, nursery level programming language. Next, do you know in C language? Anyone ever see? Yes, friends. What about you? Anyone ever C language? Yes, no. Respond. Yes, Nirmal. Anyone ever C programming language? Yes. In C and Java, learning Java, which is very easy or which is easy, which is difficult, sir. C language and Java language, I want to learn. I want to learn which is the easy, which is difficult. Learning C language is the easy or learning Java language is the easy. Remember that learning Java is always definitely is very easy when compared with the C. When compared with the C, in C there is one topic is there named with the pointers. Anyone aware? C language pointers a bit a terrible topic, the most difficult topic. Okay, like sir, do you know most of complex features? Most of the complex features. Okay, whatever there in other languages, most of complex features in other languages, okay, removed removed from Java. Okay, so these concepts are not there. These concepts are not there in Java, sir. Most of complex features, complex and confusing. Okay, some people are going to get confused. So most of complex and confusing features, okay, like pointers, multiple inheritance, such a type of things. Sir, do you know multiple inheritance, such a type of things? Okay, do you know, sir, these such type of difficult complex features or confusing features are removed from Java, sir. Okay, removed from Java. Okay, like that's why. So learning Java is a very easy when compared with the other programming languages. Remember a bit very carefully, sir, especially C language, especially C++. I want to learn Java when compared with any other like C or C++. Learning Java is the very easy. Okay, so I hope everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of simple. Respond. What is the meaning of simple? Okay, Java is the very simple and easy to learn programming language. We can write Java programs very easily. To learn Java, no prior knowledge is required. Most of complex and confusing features in other languages like pointers, multiple inheritance, such type of complex features are removed from Java. Any doubt up to this? Yes, friends. Clear? Can I go to the next one? Okay, this is what you people should aware about the simple, sir. Now the second one, very important, sir. Platform independent, right? Sir, what is the meaning of platform independent? I will explain in detail. You are not required to worry with respect to the diagrams. I will explain, but anyway, first you people should aware what the meaning of independent programming language. Sir, very simple. Suppose assume that if I write a Java program, yes, here just observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir. I'm trying to write one C program. Assume that, sir, here I'm trying to write one C program, right? Sir, the program, this is C program, whatever I wrote, assume that I wrote this one for the Windows machine. Assume I wrote this one for the Windows machine, right? So the C program which you wrote for the Windows machine can run only on the Windows machine. Sir, I want to execute the same program on the Linux machine. Assume that I want to execute the same program on the Linux machine. Sorry, this one is not going to execute. Okay. For Windows, a separate program we have to write. For Linux, a separate C program we require to write. But in Java, so this one is a different terminology you people should aware, sir. Suppose if I write one Java program, assume that if I write a Java program, okay, this Java program you can run this Java program you can run on Windows platform, Windows platform, okay, on the Windows operating system. Next we can run on Linux operating system, and we can run on, sir, Mac OS, okay, like sir, anywhere we can run without performing any changes, for this Java program. Remember this one, sir. So how many times I have to write Java program? Can you please confirm? Array respond. How many times I have to write Java program? Java program only once. I have to write Java program only once. Only once I'm writing. But so you can run anywhere, sir. We can write once, but run anywhere. Run anywhere, right? Okay. So write once, run anywhere is the concept. Write once, run anywhere is the concept of platform independent nature. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. What is the meaning of vara? Write once, run anywhere is the concept of platform independent nature. Okay, the program what we are going to write on any platform, the same Java program can run. But internally, what thing is happening? What about bytecode? What about dot class file? All these things in detail I will explain next as a separate topic. Don't worry at all. So up to this, any doubt? Can you please confirm? Ray respond. Yes, friends. What is the meaning of? In the case of C language, what will happen? In the case of Java, what will happen? In the case of C, for every platform, separate program we have to write. Because the C program which is written, for Windows, so can't run on the Linux machine, can't run on the Mac. Okay, for every platform, a separate program we have to maintain. In the case of C, that is the bigger challenging job. Okay, do you know complexity? Development time is going to increase like anything, sir. But in the case of Java, sir, do you know, write once. If I write Java program once, I can run that program on anywhere, no problem at all. Do you know, write once, run anywhere is the concept of, okay, Java. That's why this feature is by default considered, yeah, platform independent nature. So if we write Java program, if we write a Java program once, we can run on any platform. We can run on any platform, sir. We are not required. We can run on any platform. That is, so Java follows servera. This principle itself is platform independent nature. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Any doubt? Please confirm. Everyone in the position to understand. Okay, like, sir, now the next thing what I have to discuss is architecture neutral. But anyway, don't feel, sir, platform independent nature completed, like, no, we will discuss in detail. So with respect to the diagrams, with respect to the bytecode, there's a big story is there. We will talk about that next. Architecture neutral. Okay, architecture neutral, like, okay, architecture neutral. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Architecture neutral, what it means, sir? Sir, very very simple. Sir, suppose, assume, I hope everyone in this session having the system, okay? Otherwise you can attend the session. Maybe laptop or maybe desktop is there, sir. Sir, assume that you changed your RAM, okay, or you changed your processor, okay, you changed your processor. Okay, now, sir, okay, well, sir, you changed your processor. Now you are performing some change in your system architecture. Okay, remember that. So because of these changes, do you require to any change in Java program to run again? Yes, friends. Okay, so I developed one Java program, assume that. So it's happily running on my system, assume. So just my processor is a bit slow, that's fine. So I went for advanced processor, I changed advanced processor, RAM size also I changed it, sir. Because of these architecture changes in my system, so I can use the word hardware changes. These things are by default considered, yeah, architecture changes, assume that architecture changes. So because of these changes, so my Java program, is it going to run, or can I require to perform any changes? Please confirm. Yes, friends. Am I required? Am I required to perform any changes? Whatever the program which is running previously, is it going to execute on the same system or not? Yes. Even you change your processor, even you change your RAM, like so. Please make sure Java program never communicates with the platform directly. Directly, it never going to communicate with the platform directly, sir. So first, this Java program should require to convert into, this Java program should require to convert into bytecode, which is also known as dot class file. Okay, which is also known as dot class file. This bytecode should be converted into native code. Should be converted into native code. Native code is also known as mission code, which can be performed by JVM, sir. Okay, here Java compiler converts a Java program into bytecode. That bytecode will be converted into mission code by the JVM. So after these many changes, okay, Java program can communicate with my system. Okay, so means Java program never communicates directly with the system. So if you are performing any changes in your system, no problem at all. In your architecture, in your hardware changes, right? No problem at all, sir. Still my Java program can run happily. This feature is by default considered as architecture neutral. Can you please confirm any doubt? Please observe what is the meaning of architecture neutral. Okay, so architecture, because Java is the architecture independent. Sir, observe the point, right? What is the meaning of platform independent? Okay, what is the meaning of platform independent? Platform independent means, don't get confused, right? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of platform independent? It's a very simple. I wrote one Java program. Array, this Java program can run on any platform. On any platform it can run. This feature is called platform independent nature. What is the meaning of architecture neutral? Okay, this is my system. Already Java program is running on this. Okay, now I perform some hardware changes. Maybe processor I changed, RAM I changed. If you perform any changes in your architecture, still the same Java program can run. Okay, without affecting Java program, happily you can perform any changes in the architecture. Such a type of thing is by default considered, yeah, architecture neutral. Any doubt? Please confirm. Clear, I hope. Now the next thing what I have to discuss, sir, this one is also more or less it is the related word, portable. What is the word, sir? Portable. Remember, so what is the meaning of portable? Anyone? Can you please confirm? Have you ever heard about portable? Yes, no? Ayo. Easy to carry. Yes, have you heard about portable word in our day-to-day life? Portable. Ah, carrying one place to another place. Good. Any other? What it means? Portable. What it means, sir? Okay. Very simple terminology. Okay. Compact size. No. Avinash. Next, Venkata Shiva. No, carrying one place. Achit. Yes. Mobility. Good, Achit. Here, just observe. Okay. Very important terminology, right? Have you ever heard about mobile number portability. Yes, friends. Mobile number portability. Have you heard about this one? Mobile number portability. Yes, yes. Suppose I'm using assume that idea service provider. I'm using sir, but signal is not good in my area. Then immediately I want to change it to okay Airtel. I want to change it to Airtel. Sir, now my number will be changed or won't be changed? Yes, my number will be changed or won't be changed. Okay, won't be changed. Correct, right? Without changing the number, without changing our mobile number, our mobile number, without changing our mobile number. Okay, do you know we can transfer or we can move and we can migrate from one service provider to another service provider, from one service provider to another service provider. Okay, one service provider to another service provider. This concept is nothing but mobile portability. Okay, remember this one. Mobile portability. This concept itself is called mobile portability, right? But now my question is, what is the meaning of Java program portability? Java portability. Okay, what it means, sir? Sir, very simple. Now assume that I have one system is there. Okay, on this system. Okay, Windows, the system platform is Windows, right? Okay, assume that. So on this Windows machine, Java program happily running. Now I want to migrate this Java program, okay, sir, to Linux machine. Assume that to Linux machine, I want to migrate. So is it possible to migrate? Have you observed, right? So we can migrate from Windows machine to Linux machine my Java program without performing any changes. Sorry, on this machine, whatever result we are going to get, the same result we will get even in this case also. Sir, very simple. We can change our mobile number. We can change our mobile number from idea service provider to Airtel service provider without changing the number. Array, so we can migrate our Java program from Windows mission to from one platform to another platform, from one mission to another mission without performing any changes or with minimal changes. We can migrate. This feature is by default considered as portability. I hope everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of portability. Okay, so from one mission to another mission, we can change our Java program, we can migrate our Java bytecode, okay, without making any changes. Such type of feature is by default considered as okay, just a portable. Can you please confirm? So just aware mobile number portability, because it's a very popular. We are doing almost, everyone did at least once in our life. So the same thing is applicable for my Java program also. Yes, any doubt? Everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of portability? Okay, so seems to be all these three words are okay, seems to be same, but with the small minor differences are there. Platform independent nature. What is the meaning of platform independent nature? Second ones are architecture neutral. Architecture neutral. What is the meaning? Third ones are portability. Okay, like portability, what it means, sir, like clear for you people, right? So these are three things. Any explanation is required? Still any person having, sir, this area I'm having the doubt, please let me know so that I can explain. Sir, this area I'm having the doubt, like, so seems to be all the words are same, but there is a small difference is there. Platform independent means I will write only one program. You can run on any mission. Write once, run anywhere. Is the concept of okay platform independent nature. What is the meaning of architecture neutral? What it means architecture neutral means even you perform any changes to architecture, still our Java program can run, no problem at all, because our Java program is independent of architecture, system architecture, right? Next, what is the meaning of portability? Migrating Java program from one mission to another mission is the very easy. Okay, the terminology itself is portability concept. Okay, clear, right? Next, can I go to the next level? Okay, now the next thing here is, what is the next one is secure. Okay, secure. What is the meaning of, what is the meaning of security? Sir, Java is secure, like what it means, sir? Do you know, I told already, Java is secure, like do you know, here just take very special care. Suppose, do you know, sometime whenever you are downloading C program, downloading C program or any software plugins in your system, you may get some alert message. You are trying to download exe file which may harmful to your computer. Still, do you want to download? Have you ever heard about such a type of things? Have you ever experienced that? Yes, friends. Yes. Do you still do you want to download? It may harmful to your system. Still, do you want to download? Like sometimes you may have such type of, you may have such type of problems also. Okay, like, but whenever you are downloading Java program, you never going to get such type of problem. What is the reason for that? Okay, the reason is here just our Java program will be converted into Java source file, will be converted into bytecode. Bytecode means dot class file, will be converted into bytecode. Bytecode means a dot class file, right? This dot class file we have to download. Java program we are downloading means a dot class file we are going to download. Who is responsible to load this dot class file? Remember a bit very carefully, sir. JVM, correct, right? Who is the responsible to load this dot class file? JVM. Inside JVM, we have a class loader is there, which is the responsible to load this dot class file into JVM memory. Remember, right? So I have dot class file is there, sir. Assume, sir, I want to execute this dot class file. Who is the responsible to execute this dot class file? JVM is the responsible. So first load this dot class file, load this dot class file into JVM memory. Of course, who is going to take care, sir? Class loader itself is going to take care. Observe very carefully about this one, sir. Okay. So first, before loading or at the time of loading, there is one component is there inside JVM. That component is bytecode verifier. For the components are bytecode verifier. This dot class file is also known as bytecode. Remember, this dot class file itself is called bytecode. So there is one component is there named with the bytecode verifier. This component is there, sir. This bytecode verifier is going to verify this dot class file is a valid dot class file generated by Java compiler, or this dot class file created by human being, okay, to spread some virus. So who is going to verify that? This bytecode verifier is going to verify whether this dot class file, okay, is it valid, properly formatted? Everything is going to check, sir. By mistake, if it is not valid, if it is not properly formatted, sir, this is generated by some hacker or generated by some person to spread some virus. Immediately this bytecode verifier is going to raise verify error. Okay, verify error, like immediately we are going to get verify error. Who is the responsible to write this verify error? Bytecode verifier. So once a bytecode verifier is going to raise verify error, it won't be executed by the JVM. So if it is not going to execute, then there is no chance of spreading virus. There is no chance of harming our system. Such type of terminology is there. Have you observed, right? So dot class file, okay, verification security way, how much JVM is going to take care. A separate component is there inside JVM to check our dot class file. Is it valid dot class file, properly formatted or not? Who is going to take care of this one? Bytecode verifier. So because of this bytecode verifier, our dot class file never going to spread any virus, never going to harm our system. That's why I can use the word Java is secure. Yes. Any doubt about this terminology? Can you please confirm? Sir, why Java is considered the secure? It never going to spread any virus. Okay, in our system. Happily you can download Java program from anywhere. Happily you can execute Java program. Because if it is a not valid Java program, my JVM is going to take care. You are not required to worry. Lack of pointers. Avinash, that word is not that much meaningful. Lack of pointers. Also, it is secured. No. Pointers are just memory locations. Of course, here also programmer level that concept is not there, but internally JVM level pointers concept is there. Null pointer exception. Avinash, null pointer exception internally to refer addresses at JVM level. Compulsory pointers concept is there, but programmer level that concept is not applicable. So lack of pointers concept, we can use the word Java is more secure, not that much meaningful statement. Clear, right? Yeah. Now observe a bit very carefully, sir. So first thing what will happen? Our Java program is there. First it will convert into bytecode. After converting into bytecode, okay, it will load into JVM memory. JVM memory by class loader. Load into JVM memory by class loader. Okay, like once a JVM is going to load, once a JVM itself is going to load into JVM memory by class loader. Next, sir, it is going to, of course, verification is going to be done. Verification is going to be done. Okay, sir, convert into a native code. Convert into native code. Convert into native code. Okay, if it is not properly, if it is not proper, okay, if it is not valid, bytecode verifier immediately is going to raise the problem. That's why we can use the word Java is more secure when compared with any other programming languages. Okay, like next, sixth one, Java is object oriented. Okay, remember this one. Java is object oriented. Yes, can I use the word Java is the object oriented programming language or not? Array respond. Java is the object oriented programming language or not? Yes. Yes. Okay. Just like C++, Java is sir object oriented programming language. Remember, right? It's a object oriented programming language. Of course, sir, fully or partially forget about that. Yes, sir. Most of object oriented features. Most of object oriented features like do you know inheritance. Next, encapsulation. Next, and after that, polymorphism. These are things are supported. These are things are supported by Java. Yes, most of object oriented features supported by Java. That's why we can use the word it is object oriented programming language. So all benefits of object oriented programming language happily we can enjoy in Java programming language. Remember that. But slowly the people are thinking about procedure oriented also. Okay, slowly the people are thinking about procedure oriented, like do you know in Java 8, Java 1.8 version onwards, have you ever heard about this one? Lambda expressions, lambda expressions, functional programming. Okay, functional interfaces like there are several concepts came in the picture, sir. Okay, do you know? So slowly to make a procedure oriented benefits also, sir, we can, but still Java is considered as object oriented programming language only, but we won't miss procedural oriented programming benefits. Those are things came in the form of lambda expressions, functional interfaces, etc. So this initiation started from Java 1.8 version onwards. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, friends. Are you in the position to understand? So it is most of the times we can handle in terms of objects only. Don't feel, sir, primitives are there. Don't feel primitives are there in Java which are non-objects. No problem at all. We can handle primitives also just like objects, just like objects, because wrapper classes are there. Wrapper classes are there. Because wrapper classes are there. Next, and after that, auto boxing concept is there. Auto boxing concept is there. Wrapper classes are there, like because of that. So Java is object oriented programming language. All benefits of object oriented programming language happily we can enjoy from 1.8 version onwards. Even we can get the benefits of functional programming or procedural programming also, just because lambda expressions, functional interfaces, these things bring the benefits into Java. But still Java is object oriented programming language only, not procedure oriented programming language. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, sir. So any doubt about these things, right? The first six, the most valuable things you people should aware clearly, right? Okay. Sir Avinash having the doubt on null pointer exception. What's your doubt? Can you please confirm? Whether it's because of pointer concept or it's just English terminology. No. So internally JVM level pointers are there. Okay, remember this one. Internally JVM level pointers are there. Okay. So just because of those pointers concept, okay, remember this one. Whether it's because of just is asking, the doubt is null pointer exception. Null pointer exception is there, whether it is because of pointer concept or it's just English terminology. I can use the word, it is concept only, because of concept only, not just the English terminology, Avinash. So programmer level pointers concept is not there, but the JVM level pointers concept is there in Java. Remember this one. Okay, like sir, I have one reference variable is there, how internally it is pointing to our objects in the heap area. So some pointer must be required. Remember that every reference variable having the pointer to point to that object in the memory. Clear, Avinash? Yeah. Is a portable same as, yes, just observe the sunny doubt. Can you please have a look once? Is portable same as platform of compilation and execution is the same, and how platform independent and portability are related? Okay, very simple. Platform independent means, observe a bit very carefully, right? Platform independent means I wrote one Java program, you can run that program on any machine. Okay, remember this one. We can run that program on any machine. This feature is by default considered as platform independent nature. Remember, Sunny. But now, sir, I have one machine is there, another machine is there. This Java program, whatever running, happily, do you know, it can migrate on another machine. So this migration is possible, and the run on the new machine possible. I can use the word just because of platform independent nature. Assume that platform independent nature is not there, then this Java program which is copied from one machine, it can't run on another machine. So portability, internal backend concept is always what? Okay, this platform independent nature only. Yes, Sunny, are you getting the point? Yes, Sunny, are you in the position to understand? Yeah. So portability concept we are enjoying means in the backend, the main reason for that is platform independent nature only. Remember a bit very carefully about this. Okay.